I have in my hand here a domestic tap to hose pipe adapter, okay, and it's available on thegardenshop.ie. It comes basically with two types of rubber bungs, one for square taps and the other for round taps here. So I'm just going to demonstrate it on this bathroom tap that I have in front of me here, and we'll actually attach a hose pipe at the end of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave down this rubber bung here, and I'm just going to insert this one into the base of the adapter, push it in like that. Okay, what we need to do now is we can see on the front of this there's a wide gap, and on the back of it it's a narrow gap, so we need a wide gap pushing forward here onto we unscrew the head here, and we move it down into position as far forward as we can, and now we lock it into position. And what we want to do here is we want the output from the tap to be securely pushed down into the rubber ring that we just put in here. So we lock it all the way in, and we just test has it worked properly here by turning on the tap. And we can see we have water flowing out here and none leaking at the sides, so we know we've done a reasonably good job of this. Okay, so what we do then is we get a hose pipe with this type of hose lock adapter on it. We just push it down and we just click it into position here. And what we're going to do at this point is we can actually just come along and turn on the tap, and we can just see we have the water here. Okay, so it works reasonably well here. It gives a very good connection on this particular tap. Now, the one thing to be aware on it is it won't work on all taps, but on the few we've tried here, it's worked quite well. Now, the reason that you might want to use this here is that you just don't have an outdoor garden tap, or equally would say in some houses they have pressurized water systems. So if you're trying to drive something like a sprinkler or something like this, you can actually maybe, if you're using a domestic water system, you might actually have a lot more pressure on it. So that's another reason for it. But anyway, that's an overview of the domestic tap to hose pipe adapter that's available on thegardenshop.ie.